guys, it's Lisa back with another video for you for Lisa Wise Designs, and I hope you're having a wonderful Labor Day weekend if you're watching this video when it first premieres. So I hope this year you were able to get out and do some traveling. If so, I have got a kit for you. And surprise, it's actually a kit with two different themes. I have a regular generic travel theme that's called Scenic Route, and one that's a little more magical, shall we say. So let's get into it. Let's start with this Scenic Route project. So the video assembly instructions are going to start here on YouTube on September the 20th. So you've got a couple of weeks to get this kit in your hot little hands before the video start. So how big is this box that we've got here with our project inside? It is about 8.5 by 6. Oh no, I'm sorry, that is the album. The box is 9 3/4, 7 1/4 by 2 inches, and then the album is 8.5 by 6 by 1/2 inch. And these are probably going to be the last kits I have for sale this year, so get on it while you can. So let's open up the box. That's what the top of the box looks like. And we've got 3 little goodies in here. We're going to be making a photo folder. So out of our pattern paper, gonna have a few things we're gonna put in here. We're gonna make a little photo mat here out of a 4x6 cut apart. One here with a tab, we can put photos. I love using cut aparts for this too, like ephemera. And at the end of this video, be sure and hang in there because I'm going to give you a coupon code and I'm going to go through the contents of the kit. So here is a really cute tag, another really cute tag. Love this. Then the second little piece we have in here is a glassine bag. There's the front and the back. I'm going to make a couple of tags here so you've got room for journaling and for photos or to put those 4x6 cut aparts either way. So you can see where I have cut aparts here, you could add even more photos. And I'll give you an estimated photo count. You should be able to get 30 photos in this project, with 20 alone being in this third little section here, which is going to be the travel wallet style album. And if you did not want to pick up the full kit and you just wanted instructions on how to make this wallet mini album, then that's also going to be available in the Etsy shop. That link is below, and just choose to have that PDF tutorial where you can download that at home and use your own supplies to make this really cute album. So cute. Okay, so we've got some little things here that's tucked. We'll put like a 2x2 photo here. You could put one on the back of this one, but I'm just using some ephemera, and I just love these little tuck spots. They're just so much fun here. And you can also make this permanent if you wanted to. Once you had them in here, you could glue those in. So we're going to give it another flip up here. Make this a little taller where you can see. And that was a magnetic closure. So we're going to flip open here. And then photos here, and one more time, like I said, you could get at least 20 photos just in the wallet alone, and more if you decided not to use some of these cut aparts and just put your photos in. So on the inside you have a really large pocket, and so we're going to make a photo mini folder, a file folder. Couldn't get that out. I love to make file folders, I love to make envelopes to put photos in, and I really love to make tags. So all of those you're gonna find in this kit. Okay, so let me put this together right. Here we go. Isn't that girl so cute? Love that. All right, so then we have another cut apart here. I'm gonna flip this over, we're gonna have a photo. You're gonna have a shallow pocket here with another cut apart. Another places to put photos. And then on the bottom here, you can pull one thing out of this slot, one thing out of here. That is so cute. Let your feet wander, your eyes marvel, and your soul ignite. I love that. So you can use this for international travel. You can use this for a road trip. You can use this for what you did in the summer at home, because you can personalize this with the ephemera that's in the pack and the paper. Love. And then here's the back here. We can see we used some washi. And we'll cut aparts. All right, so there is the travel themed album that we are calling Scenic Route. Comes with the box, and we'll decorate all of this together. And then let's talk about the magical one. Love this. Says Wish Upon a Star. Smiles from ear to ear. It's got a little castle on the front. And you open it up. Look at this. Do you believe in magic? It's got all these magical words. Now this one has one extra element. It's got a little mouse head shaker. So cute. So we're going to be making this together. So this is actually in your kit too. So this kit's going to be $3 or $4 more expensive than the other one because it's got this little shaker in it, and it comes with the little shaky pieces too. So then here's that photo folder. Love that. Mouse and me. Happiness starts here. Put a photo there. And on these tags, what's so great about it is you can put a vertical photo or horizontal because you can turn it whichever way you would like. And I love this little tag here with the chain. And once again, you're going to get the little chain. Gonna get these tags. Love that. Then here's the glassing bag on this one. A dream is a wish your heart makes. I love that. Wish upon a star. Look at this old cassette. I love it. I had to use it somewhere. So look at this. I wonder if anyone will notice that this is the front page of the actual paper pack. I love that. And this is a library pocket card that you can pull out, and you could do some journaling or put more photos on here. And then here is that photo little booklet. More photos there. So you can tell you can put more photos in that too. And so here is the wallet on this one. Get this out of the way. So, and then this one, I put it on the right side. I just kind of mirror imaged this from that one. So this comes out just like the other one. Move this out of the way a little bit here. Move this up. Like I said, it magnets close. That. Okay, and so the center part then opens here. Whoops, once again. Tired feet, full heart. If you have ever been to a theme park, you absolutely agree with that statement. At least the tired feet part. Magical memories. Mouse and me here. So cute. Smile and enjoy every moment. I love these. All right, so it goes top, bottom, sides, and that's how you put it back together. All right, and then let's go with the bottom piece. You've got this little flip flap up here, and then you've got a small pocket. Like I said, I'm putting these 4x6 cut aparts in different areas, so you can tell that can also be photos instead, just like right here. So just depending on how much photo space that you need. And then the one that comes out on this side, this black tag. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I hope you love it. I love this project. This is such a cool project, I think. So I wanted to show you what else will fit in, sorry, I hit my lamp, in the box. So when I went on my last trip this year, I picked up lots of goodies. So I have maps from the theme park. So I have one from all 4 theme parks. That will just barely fit here in the bottom, but it does. And then I got this from Animal Kingdom that I want to finish when I go next time. I got this from Festival of the Arts. And then the next time I went to Flower and Garden. And then here is a 5x7 postcard that we got from Eating at Hollywood and Vine. And this is from one of the cookie places in Disney Springs. This is from, where was that from? It's in Animal Kingdom. Yeah, right when you get off the Nemo ride. This is one of the games that you can no longer play there, but I have one of the tickets. Anyway, then when you put all this back together, it will fit in the box. So you have plenty of space to, when you come home and you gather up all your different items that you wanted to bring home. Say if you went to the beach and you had seashells, it's kind of hard to put that in a regular album. So I thought this was really fun to have a box that's 2 inches thick to put everything in. So before I forget, here is the coupon code. You just type in Labor Day on my Etsy shop where the coupon code goes. You get 10% off anything in the shop now through September the 10th, so you've got a few days. And my Etsy shop is Lisa Wise Designs, one word, but that link will be in the description box below. And like I said, these will probably be the last kits I have this year in the shop. So let's take a look at the Scenic Route one. Let me get everything out here. Alright. So this is from Echo Park Paper. This is their ephemera pack called Scenic Route. So you get all these little pieces here. See if you can see. Now if I get too close and it gets my lamps are not quite tall enough. Alright, then you get a little goodie bag here that's got, oh, we'll look at that in a second. You got 2 really large tags, you get that glassine bag, you get that mini file folder template. Then this one has this parchment paper cardstock in this kit, where the other one has black. You get chipboard phrases. You get the cutting guide with all the instructions, and of course you'll have me on video walking you step by step through. But let's see, you get 33 pages, and this is already printed for you. Then you get the Scenic Route paper pack and stickers. So we'll take a quick look at that. Look at how beautiful this is. Ugh. So see, this is what I'm saying, that you can take a look at which of these cut aparts that you love, and you can help customize how you want your album to look. Don't have to choose the ones I choose, but look at that really pretty golden paper. I love this paper too. It's got all kind of words on it. I love the world and I will never stop exploring. Work, save, travel, repeat. Love that. Here's some pretty blue paper. Really pretty map. Green check. Here's the 6x6 vertical cut apart. Isn't that pretty with all those luggage tags? Globe pattern paper with red on the back. Here's another globe pattern with the north, south, east, west. I think that's called a legend. Here's some cute airplanes with blue and white dot. And then here's some of these 4x4 cut aparts. Yeah. The war is ours to explore. Adventure is calling. Look at these suitcases. That's one of my favorite parts of this paper pack. Oh my gosh. Love that plaid. Suitcases again. Love another blue. This is just, I'm guessing it's from either old-timey looking stickers or luggage tags. So it's got all kind of different fonts on it. I love it anyway. So these are your 4x6 cut aparts. That's in the horizontal position. So we use the majority of these, if not all of them. So look at those cameras. I love it. I just wish it wasn't on the back of this paper because I wanted to use more of those. And here's stamps. Another different type of map here. And then here is the stickers. Look how cute. We do use quite a bit of them, but there are also some left over that you can make cards. And then here's the box that comes in there. So the brown or craft colored box is what comes with this kit. All right, move all this out of the way. And here's the little baggie. So let's go through it because I will forget if I don't do it right now. We've got that ball chain in there. We've got a couple pieces of ribbon. This one's got, I don't know if it's hard to see in this light, but it's navy blue and brown. I don't know if that helps. Here's your 4 magnets and some washi. There's a library card in the pocket and then some more tags there. So that is that one. So if I can get it out of your way here. So let's take a look at the magical one. So this little baggie, let's just go ahead and go through it this time. So there's your 3 black tags. There's the library card. So this one has 3 types of washi. There's the little bitty white tag. This one has, this is the little ephemera, not the ephemera, sorry. This is like the sequin and shaky pack that goes into this little shaker that's in this one. And here's the ball chain, and there is the little bitty 4 magnets with a couple pieces of bling. And then here's the ribbon for this kit. It's a blue and a yellow. And like I said, this kit is $3 or $4 more because of this shaker than the other one. So move these down out of the way. There's the 2 big white tags, the glassine bag, the mini file folder template that you'll need. This one comes with black cardstock to make the wallet style album. So here is the chipboard in this theme. Isn't that so adorable? All right, here's the cutting guide. So some of the cutting guide, of course, overlaps because it's going to tell you, how to put together the wallet, and the wallets are put together the same, just different colors of paper. But they do differentiate by matting. So I did do 2 different tutorials for you so that you do have your paper that you picked and how it is matted together. But anything that overlaps, like how to make these tabs, I just did the same thing in both to save a little bit of time, even if it was a different color, so I figured that was no big issue. Same thing, how to put together the box, even if your box is a different color, but the matting is important because the paper can be very different. So anyway, so here is your cutting guide on this one, and this one is a little bit longer. It's 36 pages because we have that shaker in it. So here's the paper we're going to be using, Magical Adventure 2 by Echo Park. Look at these cutter parts. See this camera. Both of them had cameras in it, which I loved. A gorgeous stripe. Pretty dots with some stripes here. Look at this beautiful plaid. Oh, such playful balloons. That has got like a craft on the back. And then here's the 4x4 cutter parts with yellow paper with white stars on it. This is beautiful paper. I wished all paper bags had a paper like that. Beautiful. Blue and white check. And then here is gorgeous paper that has a castle on it. Red and white dot. Here is craft paper with black stars. Here's those 4x6 cutter parts in the landscape. So pretty. I love every one of them. These are pretty dots. And then this is the one that has all the different words on it. Yellow check with, isn't this so cute? It looks like little bow ties or hair bows. Black and white check. And then here's the 4x6 cutter parts that are in the vertical orientation. And then here's some more castles, but looks very different, being just tone on tone red with some stars, and then some different stars on the back. Blue paper with white stars. Oh, fireworks. Fireworks. Oh, and then look, here is this beautiful sticker sheet. Take a little gander at this. I was just gonna say, if you ever go to a theme park in Orlando, fireworks ends your day, so love that. And then here is the box with this one. The boxes are the same size. This one is just white on the outside. That was a lot. That is a lot, but I hope that you love these kits. Like I say, they're on sale now in the Etsy shop. The description is below. You've got a couple of weeks before the videos begin to get those kits in your hand to go with me. And it'll probably be a long series. Usually my series are about 5 days. The videos are what, 30, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. So since I'm going to have to mat things twice, it'll probably be a longer series, but I know a lot of you will not be sad because you really enjoy those. I think I've told you everything you needed to know, but thank you guys once again. Like I said, if you want to pick up either one of these kits, just click on the Etsy shop link below. And if you want to pick up just the tutorial only and use your own supplies, you will also find that option in the Etsy shop. Thank you guys, and I will see you back here in a couple of weeks when we get started putting this together. Have a wonderful Labor Day. Bye.